Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're doing well. In our last lesson, we looked at the expression aimer mieux, which literally means to like better. However, it's more commonly used to express the idea of to prefer. In our last lesson, we learned the singular forms of aimer mieux. We learned how to say I prefer, j'aime mieux, you prefer, tu aimes mieux, he prefers, il aime mieux, she prefers, elle aime mieux, we prefer, on aime mieux, and you prefer, vous aimez mieux. In this lesson, we are going to look at the plural forms. So, we prefer, nous aimons mieux. You prefer, this is the plural, you. Vous aimez mieux. They prefer, ils aiment mieux. Elles aiment mieux. So let's go ahead and put that together with some vocabulary that you already know. If I want to say, we prefer dogs, in French you would say, nous aimons mieux les chiens. Remember, you're literally saying, we like better the dogs. However, in English, that means we prefer dogs. Nous aimons mieux les chiens. We prefer cats. Nous aimons mieux les chats. We prefer computers. Nous aimons mieux les ordinateurs. We prefer pizza. Nous aimons mieux la pizza. You prefer dogs. Vous aimez mieux les chiens. You prefer cats. Vous aimez mieux les chats. You prefer computers. Vous aimez mieux les ordinateurs. You prefer pizza. Vous aimez mieux la pizza. They prefer dogs. Ils aiment mieux les chiens. They prefer cats. Ils aiment mieux les chats. They prefer computers. Ils aiment mieux les ordinateurs. They prefer pizza. Ils aiment mieux la pizza. They prefer dogs. Elles aiment mieux les chiens. They prefer cats. Elles aiment mieux les chats. They prefer computers. Elles aiment mieux les ordinateurs. And finally, they prefer pizza. Elles aiment mieux la pizza. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. Hope to see you soon. À bientôt.